Depression solution in Quran. In the Quran, there are several verses and teachings that can offer guidance and comfort for those struggling with depression. Here are a few key points. 1. Seek solace in prayer. The Quran encourages Muslims to turn to Allah in prayer during times of distress. Praying regularly and seeking comfort through supplication can provide spiritual relief and a sense of peace. And seek help through patience and prayer, and indeed, it is difficult except for the humbly submissive to Allah. Quran 2:45. 2. Trust in Allah's plan. The Quran emphasizes that Allah's plans are perfect and that difficulties and hardships are part of life's tests. Believers are encouraged to have faith that Allah's guidance will lead them to a better path and that He will provide relief when the time is right. Indeed, with hardship, there is ease. Quran 94:5. 3. Seek knowledge and understanding. Learning and reflecting on the teachings of the Quran can provide solace and perspective. Engaging in the recitation of the Quran and contemplating its meanings can uplift the spirits and provide emotional healing. Indeed, in the remembrance of Allah, do hearts find rest. Quran 13:28. 4. Find support within the community. The Quran emphasizes the importance of seeking support from loved ones, friends, and the wider Muslim community during times of hardship. Surrounding oneself with a supportive network can provide comfort and aid in overcoming depression. And those who believed and whose descendants follow them in faith, we will join with them their descendants, and we will not deprive of anything of their deeds. Every person, for what he earned, is retained. Quran 52:21. 5. Be patient and have hope. The Quran teaches that patience is key during difficult times and that believers should hold on to hope for a better future. It emphasizes the ephemeral nature of this life and the eternal rewards that await in the hereafter. Be patient, for indeed, Allah does not allow to be lost the reward of those who do good. Quran 11:1-15. It is important to note that while the Quran offers guidance for dealing with depression, seeking professional help from mental health experts is also highly recommended for a comprehensive and individualized approach to treatment.